Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to connect OneDrive to Teams. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to send a file from OneDrive to a team chat or channel without needing email attachments or extra downloads. First, so go to a browser and search for Microsoft OneDrive, then click on this one. So sign into your account. So once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the OneDrive homepage. So at the left side, select My Files. So you should see My Files in here on the left side. So select that to view your stored documents and folders. You can browse through your files just as you would on your computer, or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate a specific item. Now, next, choose the file you want to share, just like so. So this could be a Word document, Excel spreadsheet, PowerPoint presentation, PDF, or any other file saved in OneDrive. So click the file to select it, and you can preview it if needed to confirm it's the correct one. Next, right click on it, or you can click this share icon. So click on that.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish easy to use step-by-step editing tutorials to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding this video useful and would like to learn more, I would really appreciate if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button to show some support, give this video a like, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming out every single day. Now, let's continue.
So selecting it opens the sharing panel. So this is where you can manage how the file is shared. Now in the sharing options, so you can choose Microsoft Teams from here. Then look for the Teams icon or an option labeled Share to Teams. You'll then be asked whether you want to share the file in a chat or a channel. Then choose chat if you want to send the file to specific individuals or a small group. You can choose channel if you want everyone in a particular team channel to access and collaborate on the file. So you can add any necessary details and send the file. So if you're sharing to a chat, you can enter the recipients and include a brief message for context if desired. Then click on send right here. And that's basically it. So your OneDrive file is now shared directly in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.